marching down the mossy mile, map in paw and beacon style. Pebbles crunch and boots go thump, treasures close, our hearts go bump.
Left foot, right foot, swing your tail. Follow the ink to the X we hail.
Tambourine shakes, lanterns glow, the forest.
I told you to be careful.
Yeah, rub it in, Featherface. At least I'm not eating dirt. Yet.
Teamwork, right?
Marching to the beat of the boots on the ground. Treasure map flap and the X is where we're bound. Step stomp, follow the dotted line.
Every twist, every turn feels like a sign.
Gonna find that treasure, laughing all the way with a pocket full of friendship and a song to play. So march, 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 we can.
Keep the line tight, friends. Success is 90% confidence.
And 10% drowning in mud?
Perfectly normal depth. Follow me.
I can't feel my legs, and I'm not sure that's a bad thing.
Behold, the shortcut to,
a wall of mud and a log. Nice.
Ha!
Okay. Go, buddy, go. And for my finale. Ta-da! Blah, 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 blah. Ole! Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. All good. Stay cool, everybody. Yeah.